Welcome to The Hypnotist, the show that gives you inside access to cutting-edge hypnosis with real clients facing genuine issues. Brought to you by the hypnotherapist demanded by celebrities, CEOs, and even royalty, Adam Cox. These recordings took place live from Adam's clinic in London's world-famous Harley Street. This podcast features powerful hypnosis, so do not listen while driving or operating machinery. This recording is not suitable for those with epilepsy or severe mental health issues. So, get yourself comfortable and enjoy today's episode of The Hypnotist.
Hi, it's Adam here, and in today's episode of The Hypnotist, you're going to be listening to a sleep hypnosis track, which, rather than having direct suggestions, it's going to be framed in the realm of affirmations. Now, you can think of affirmations as a form of suggestion. However, suggestions are normally directed from a third person, so they tend to have the phrase you or you are, whereas affirmations are normally phrased in the first person, so I am. So as I do this hypnosis session linked to affirmations, it will come in the sequence of affirmation after affirmation stated in the first person. How you can maximize your value from doing this is to almost accept these affirmations as if you're saying them yourself. So I'm going to have a pause in between the affirmations. What could be helpful is that after you hear me saying it, it's worth you echoing that affirmation as if you're saying it yourself. That way, it accepts the suggestions as a first person and will help you to drift off into a nice deep sleep. So find a comfortable place, ideally in your bed, that you can relax. And as you're listening to this, weirdly, I want you to try not to sleep and to try and get through the whole hypnosis, echoing each affirmation, stating it just inside your own head as the first person, and just challenge yourself to see if you can get to the end of this affirmation session without falling asleep. Listen to the music. And as you hear me read the powerful sleep affirmations, the harder you try to stay awake, the more your body will desire to drift off to sleep. I am worthy of restful sleep. My body is relaxed and my mind is at peace. I am grateful for the opportunity to sleep soundly. I release any worries or stress from the day and allow my body to rest. I trust my body to heal and rejuvenate while I sleep. My bed is a sanctuary of peace and comfort. I am surrounded by love and positivity as I sleep. I let go of any negative thoughts and welcome positive dreams. I fall asleep easily and wake up feeling refreshed. My breathing is calm and steady, allowing me to drift off into a deep sleep. I am grateful for the gift of sleep. I am surrounded by a sense of calm and relaxation. My mind and body are in harmony, allowing me to fall asleep quickly. My body naturally and easily falls into a restful sleep. My dreams are filled with positivity and joy. I trust my body to wake up at the perfect time. I am surrounded by a sense of peace and tranquility. My mind and body are at ease, allowing me to sleep soundly. I am grateful for this moment of relaxation and rest. I allow myself to fully let go and drift into a peaceful sleep. My bed is a place of comfort and relaxation. I welcome a night of deep and restful sleep. My body and mind are ready for a night of rejuvenation. I am filled with a sense of calmness and tranquility. I release all tension from my body and mind. I am surrounded by a sense of love and security. I am safe and protected as I sleep. My mind is free from worry and anxiety. I trust my body to guide me to a restful sleep. I I let go of any negative emotions and embrace positivity. My breathing is slow and steady, allowing me to drift off easily. My mind is filled with happy thoughts as I fall asleep. My body is relaxed and my mind is calm. I am grateful for the gift of restful sleep. I am surrounded by a sense of peace and harmony. My body is rejuvenated as I sleep. I release any tension and allow myself to fully relax. My mind is free from any distractions, allowing me to sleep soundly. I trust my body to guide me to a restful and peaceful sleep. I welcome the comfort of my bed as I sleep. My dreams are filled with positivity and happiness. I am surrounded by a sense of tranquility and serenity. My mind is at ease and my body is at peace. I release any stress from the day and embrace a night of deep relaxation. I am surrounded by a sense of safety and security. My breathing is steady and my heart is calm. My body is relaxed and comfortable as I sleep. I am grateful for the opportunity to rest and recharge. I release any negative energy and embrace positive thoughts. I am surrounded by a sense of peace and contentment. My mind is free from any worries or distractions. My body is completely at ease, allowing me to sleep soundly. I trust my body to guide me to a restful and rejuvenating sleep. My bed is a place of comfort and safety. I am surrounded by a sense of love and support. And I'm grateful for this moment of relaxation and rest.